everyone, I am Haiyin Che from Institute of Data Science and Knowledge Engineering, School of Computer Science in Beijing Institute of Technology. In this session, we discuss data processing algorithm. Big data processing algorithm basically include data mining algorithms and machine learning algorithms. Machine learning algorithms include supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and semi-supervised learning and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is a method used to enable machines to classify objects, problems, or situations based on related data fed into the machines. Machines are fed with data such as characteristics, patterns, dimensions, color, and height of objects, people, or situations repeatedly until the machine can perform accurate classifications. Supervised learning is a popular technology or concept that is applied to real-life scenario. Supervised learning is used to provide product recommendations, segment customers based on customer data, diagnose disease based on previous symptoms, and perform many other tasks. Unsupervised learning is a method used to enable machines to classify both tangible and intangible objects without providing the machines any prior information about the objects. The things machines need to classify are varied, such as customer purchasing habits, behavior patterns of bacteria, and hacker attacks. The main idea behind the unsupervised learning is to expose the machines to large volume of varied data and allow it to learn and infer from the data. However, the machines must first be programmed to learn from the data. And in the scope of supervised learning, there are regression, which include linear regression and polynomial regression, classification, which include logistic regression, SVM, ANN, and decision trees, and deep learning, which include CNN, RNN, etc. And in the scope of unsupervised learning, there are clustering like k-means, dimensionality reduction like PCA, and anomaly detection. For semi-supervised learning, it includes self-training and low-density separation models. And reinforcement learning include dynamic programming and Monte Carlo methods. Machine learning is the scientific study of statistical models and algorithms that computer systems use to perform a task without explicit instruction. Machine learning is a comprehensive field that involves various functionalities of machine learning operations, like clustering, classification, and the development of predictive models. Basically, machine learning allows computers to learn without an explicit need for programming. In general programming scenarios, you have to provide instructions to the computer for it to provide you with the output. However, with the help of machine learning algorithms, you can train your computer to provide you with the output with the need to give instructions. A machine learning algorithm is able to do so with the help of the data using the data fed to the system. A machine learning algorithm is trained to provide output to the user. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning technique that enables an agent to learn in an interactive environment by trial and error, using feedback from its own action and experience. Though both supervised and reinforcement learning use mapping between input and output, unlike supervised learning, where feedback provided to the agent is correct set of actions for performing a task, reinforcement learning use rewards and punishment as a signal for the positive and negative behavior. As compared to unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning is different in terms of goals. While the goal in unsupervised learning is to find similarities and differences between the data points, in reinforcement learning, the goal is to find a suitable action model that would maximize the total cumulative reward of the agent. Deep learning is a recent field that occupies the much broader field of machine learning. Deep learning is most famous for its neural network, such as recurrent neural networks, RNN, and convolutional neural networks, CNN, and deep belief networks. While other machine learning algorithms employ statistical analysis technique for pattern recognition, deep learning is modeled after the neurons of the human brain. They are modeled after the structure and functioning of the human brain. In order to understand deep learning, we have to understand how the nervous system in the human body works. As we all know that our nervous system is built up of neurons. These neurons are able to grasp information that is transmitted to our body. These neurons have the ability to learn information over time. This principle of learning is also utilized by artificial neural networks. Any deep neural network will consist of three types of layers: the input layer, the hidden layer, and the output layer. What's the difference between the two? Simply explained, both machine learning and deep learning mimic the way the human brain learns. Its main difference is therefore the type of algorithms used in each case. Although deep learning is more similar to human learning as it works with neurons, machine learning usually uses decision trees and deep learning neural network, which are more evolved. In addition, both can learn in a supervised or unsupervised way. From the table, we can see deep learning requires large data. Machine learning can train on less data. Deep learning can provide high accuracy, but machine learning gives less accuracy. Deep learning takes longer time to train, but machine learning takes less time to train. Deep learning requires GPU to train properly, and machine learning trains on CPU. Deep learning can be tuned in various different ways, but machine learning has limited tuning capabilities. Data mining algorithms can be categorized into 4 groups: classification, clustering, correlation analysis, and anomaly detection. And the top 12 data mining algorithms is shown in the diagram, which include SVM, decision trees, neural network, ID3 algorithm, the 4.5 algorithm, k-nearest neighbors, naive Bayes algorithm, etc. In this session, we generally summarized the big data processing algorithms, which include the machine learning algorithms and the data mining algorithms. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to contact me.